As our area continues to grow and develop, bat habitats are being destroyed, so they're starting to turn up in new places. But it was quite the surprise for a Wake County maintenance crew when they found hundreds of bats living underground in a stormwater system.
They're an amazing group of mammals.
You could say Olivia Munzer
My background is bat biology.
knows more about bats than most.
People have this idea of just how scary bats are and just how ugly they are, but when you actually get them in your hand and you work with them, they're just amazing little animals.
Studying them for 20 years, she says they're misunderstood. They don't pose the rabies risk many people think, and they're more scared of humans than most humans are of them. Bats can also live to be up to 42 years old, and they're an important part of our ecosystem.
They save millions or billions of dollars for farmers because of all the agricultural pests that they eat.
But bats are facing threats right now in our area. The biggest, their habitats are being destroyed, and it's forcing them to find new places to roost. In fact, a maintenance crew in Wake County called the North Carolina Wildlife Resources Commission to say they'd found a colony under a manhole in a stormwater system.
And so we went to go look, and we went underneath into the actual storm pipes and found all these bats, and we were floored that there were that many bats in there.
After more research, they discovered about 1,000 southeastern Myotis bats are there during warmer temperatures, one of the largest roosts of this bat species in our area. Officials are not disclosing where in the county these bats were found for their safety, but they are continuing to monitor them both through wildlife cameras and through acoustic detectors, which can identify species just through their bat calls. Olivia says these bats do not pose a risk to themselves or to residents in Wake County by being in the stormwater system.
All they're doing is going in and out and foraging for insects. So they're actually very beneficial to have because they can help control those insects.
Despite the threats they're facing, officials like Olivia are encouraged to see them finding new safe spaces to roost, and says they're seeing bat populations start to stabilize in parts of the Piedmont.
So it's like a little glimmer of hope.
In Wake County, Sydney Schofield, ABC 11 Eyewitness News.